Hello guys, myself Electro. In this video, I am going to give knowledge about ESP8266, which is based on Wi-Fi connectivity. This is our ESP8266, which is very compact and having huge circuit in this module. So to get output from these pins, we need to apply some codes or program this ESP through our laptop or PC. To program this ESP, we need a PC or a laptop. So without wasting time, let's start our video. First we want to download a driver called, you can see this name. Install this driver CP2102, which will connect the ESP to our laptop. I have downloaded this driver called CP. Here's the zip file. Extract this zip file, then the file will be also named as that only. Now connect this board to our laptop or PC. After connecting that, the blue light will blink on the ESP. Check in board manager that the board is connected or not. This our board is connected, but so now open Arduino IDE, which is a code compiler. Now we need to select a board in this. So first of all, we need to go on files and then click on preference. Here we need to paste a link. I will give you in the description box. Now go to tools. It's a board. Select the board called NodMCU or ESP. This is connected. Now go to file, examples, basic, and select a blink. Here will be open. Now simply compile. This will compile, take a few minutes. So our compilation is done. Now hit the upload button.
A few moments later.
Thus compile the code. Now upload the code in ESP8266. Thus the code is uploaded, and you can see the result of this blinking a small light on the ESP.